Today's disability benefit tip is be aware of limited disability benefit periods in long-term disability insurance policies. Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and I'm here with attorney Cesar Gavidia. And Cesar, when we talk about limited pay periods in these long-term disability insurance policies, why are they dangerous and why should someone be aware of them?
Yeah, well, look, there's not much that someone can do to control whether their policy has a limited pay period clause or provision in it. But usually what we're talking about is a provision within a disability policy. You see them often in group or employer-provided disability plans, where basically, depending on the particular condition you're suffering from, your benefits may be limited to 24 months or less, depending on the policy, and that's it. Your benefits end after that period is up. So we often find them with mental nervous conditions. That's very common, probably the most common. But you also are seeing them with neuromuscular conditions where they'll say, well, unless you could provide us with objective testing or specific type of testing to show that there's some additional problem or some other issue, then your benefits will be limited to 2 years or 24 months or possibly less.
And when you said mental nervous disorder limitation, how is that defined usually?
Well, they usually say, I mean, most policies now, you'll see some older policies that might not have such specific language, but now what you'll usually find is policies where they'll say if it's defined in the latest diagnostic statistical manual, which is basically where you'll find many psychological, psychiatric conditions and diagnoses, and what they use to kind of clinically treat people. If it's found in there, then it's a limited condition under the policy and you'll receive benefits for that period and that's it.
Right, and what I wanted a lot of people to understand is that when you have these limited pay periods, what a lot of disability companies try to do is they try to say your disability is psychiatric or mental nervous related, it's not physical. And because of that, we're limiting your benefits to 12 months or 24 months. So when we work with claimants, we always try to focus. Now, of course, if you have a purely mental nervous condition, that's just the way it is. But if you have a physical component that has secondary psychiatric component to it, then you want to always make the physical primary so that you don't have your benefits limited. And
yeah, absolutely. That's a good tip and a good thing to kind of observe.
So no matter where you live in the country, feel free to contact Cesar or myself. We're always going to provide you with an initial free consultation and review of your disability policy. We encourage you to search our website where you can find lots of information about your disability company, your occupation, your medical condition, and there we have lots of videos and helpful articles that are going to really let you think and allow you to learn to think like a disability insurance company. And once you're at that spot where you're starting to think like the disability company, you're going to be in a much better position to protect your benefits and keep your benefits paid for as long as you need them. We also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel below by clicking subscribe, where we're putting out these videos on a weekly basis, and we already have hundreds of other videos that you can see through searching on our YouTube channel. And we want you, again, to really have as much knowledge as possible so that you can protect your disability benefits. Should you need us in the future, we look forward to the opportunity to speak with you.